So you might be wondering how you go through and make a YouTube channel on either your iPhone or iPad, whatever you have. Now doing this is actually pretty basic. Now the easiest way to do this is by going to just like the YouTube website. So you can go to youtube.com just like this, and there's going to be a little button at the bottom that says You. So you can tap on You, and then you can go through and click on the sign in button right over here. So tap on sign in and it's going to tell you to sign into your Google account. Now Google owns YouTube, so you can use your Google account within here. Now if you don't have a Google account, then what you're going to want to do is tap on the create account button that's going to be right over here. Tap on the create account button and then this page, this little option is going to come up. So now you can kind of designate what you want to use your YouTube account for. Personal use, for my child, for my work or business. Choose whatever you want, and then you can start typing in your first and your last name. So come right into here, type in your first name, type in your last name, and you want to just start building out this Google account. This Google account is going to be your login for your YouTube account. So if you're creating a Google account, you're creating a YouTube account. That's the main way to kind of think about it. So from here, you can fill out this information. You can get your username for your email. And from there, you'll be able to log into your YouTube channel via that account. So that's basically how you do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.